Dendrites. Several short branch processes which arise from the cyton are called dendrites. They also contain micelle bodies and neurofibrils. They conduct nerve impulses towards the cell body. Several short means that there are more than 2 or 3, but still not many. Branch processes means neurons have branch processes called dendrites, which arise from the cyton are called dendrites. Means dendrites are short and branch processes arising from the cyton. They also contain micelle bodies. Means micelle bodies are discrete granular structure in neurons that consists rough endoplasmic reticulum. They represent rough endoplasmic reticulum. These are the sites of protein synthesis. And neurofibrils. Neurofibrils means these are electron microscopic threads present in the neurons which help in the conduction of nerve impulses. They conduct nerve impulses towards the cell body. Means dendrites are branch projections of a neuron that conduct nerve impulses towards the cell body of the nerve cell. Which several short. Which processes, branch processes, which arise from the where cyton are called dendrites. They also contain which bodies, micelle bodies, and which fibrils, neurofibrils. They conduct which impulses, nerve impulses towards the which body, cell body. Dendrites. Several short branch processes which arise from the cyton are called dendrites. They also contain micelle bodies and neurofibrils. They conduct nerve impulses towards the cell body. Axon. An axon is a single, long, cylindrical process that originates from a region of the cyton called axon hillock. Plasma lemma of an axon is called axolemma, and the cytoplasm is called axoplasm. An axon may give rise to collateral branches. Distally, it branches into many fine filaments called telodendria, which end in bulb-like structures called synaptic knobs or terminal boutons. An axon is a single long cylindrical process. Means an axon is a long, slender projection of a nerve cell that typically conducts electrical impulses known as action potentials away from the nerve cell body. That originates means starts from a region of the cyton. Means the cyton, also known as the cell body, it is located in the specific region of a neuron that contains nucleus called axon hillock. Axon hillock means the axonal region includes the axon hillock. The electrical signal originates near the initial region of the axon called the axon hillock. Plasma lemma of an axon is called axolemma, means the axon is found in the neuron's nerve cells. Axolemma acts as a partition between the inside of the axon and the surrounding extracellular space by regulating the flow of ions and chemicals into and out of the axon. The axolemma is essential in preserving the axon's structure and functionality, and the cytoplasm is called axoplasm, means cytoplasm of an axon is called axoplasm because it is specifically the cytoplasmic content within the axon responsible for the transport of various materials along the length of the axon, including proteins, organelles, and nutrients. The axoplasm contains mitochondria. An axon may give rise to collateral branches. Collateral branches means when a signal is received by the dendrite, it travels passively to the cell body. Collateral branches from axons are key components of neural circuits that allow neurons to connect with multiple synaptic targets. Distally, it branches into many fine filaments called telodendria. Telodendria means branch ends of nerve cells are called telodendria, which establish the functional contact with other nerve cell. This connection is called synapse, which end in bulb-like structures called synaptic knobs or terminal buttons. The synaptic knob is a bulb-like structure that is present at the end of the axon in a neuron. A synaptic knob or terminal buttons is formed at the end. An axon is a single long cylindrical process that originates from a region of the cyton called which hillock, axon hillock. Plasma lemma of an axon is called what? Axolemma. And the cytoplasm is called what? Axoplasm. An axon may give rise to which branches? Collateral branches. Distally, it branches into how many fine filaments? Many fine filaments called what? Telodendria, which end in bulb-like what? Structures called which knobs? Synaptic knobs or which buttons? Terminal buttons. Axon. An axon is a single long cylindrical process that originates from a region of the cyton called axon hillock. Plasma lemma of an axon is called axolemma and the cytoplasm is called axoplasm. An axon may give rise to collateral branches. Distally, it branches into many fine filaments called telodendria, which end in bulb-like structures called synaptic knobs or terminal boutons. Guys, if you like my video, please click like and subscribe to my Easy Learning channel.